Welcome to BRIO City. Here's the train station clock. It's nearly 8 o'clock and many citizens are going to work. Here comes the first train of the day. The airplane pilot is leaving his house to take the train that will take him to his job at the city airport.
The train is now departing.
Now the train arrives at the first station, and some passengers get off. But also some passengers get on. And the train continues its journey. Let's go. Meet the crane operator. He controls a big crane which is building a new car park in BRIO City. But our train driver continues his own job. He drives the train. The crane driver needs some stone for his construction job. This small green train will fetch it for him. Ready? Let's go. The car park construction job is going well. What's our airplane pilot doing? He's going up in the lift to the train station. He will take the train through the countryside to the airport.
All passengers should now take their seats. The train is departing.
The train has arrived at the airport now. The airplane pilot climbs the steps onto the airplane.
All passengers should now take their seats on the aircraft.
All the passengers are seated now. The cockpit is closed and the steps are removed. Now the plane is ready to take off. Let's go! Look, our plane is flying over BRIO City. Have a great flight.